Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat NJ, and I'm Namya back with another interesting Python tutorial for you. Today we are going to learn something new about Python. Let me teach you that what are classes and objects in Python. So as you all know that Python is an object-oriented programming language, so almost everything in Python is an object, or in other words, it's a variable with its properties and methods. A class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for creating objects. If I say it in simpler words, a class is a code template for creating objects. For example, this is a car class. So if I have to divide it, I'll divide it on the basis of colors like red, blue and green, and then the names like Ford, Mustang, Toyota and other. So let us start. I'll give the name class. So if I'm making a class of like employees of some companies, so I'll write class employees colon, and then I have to define it. I have to define all the things that will be coming in the class of employees, and for that we need to initialize it. So def init means initialize, and then in bracket we will write self is used to represent the instance of the class. So these are the instances like name, department, then location and salary, and we'll give it a colon. Then we'll write self dot name, because you'll come to know that whenever I'm writing print, it would be like x dot name. So the x represents self dot name is equal to name, means if self dot name is there, so it will print the name, and similarly the rest things. So department is a very big word, so I can write self dot dpt, but after that you need to write department, and in the similar way self dot location equals to location, and the last self dot salary. Okay, so now let us write, I'll take 3 employees, and over here I take x. So here x is the object, and I'll write that x is equal to employees. That means the class employees function should be working on it. So x equal to employees, and then in bracket first I'll start with the name. So let me give some Minecraft skin names to it. So maybe Alex. The department can be some imaginary name like Oracle. Then we have location, so I think Kolkata, and then the salary. And then in the similar way, I'll copy this and I just have to change. So this is ready. Now we have to start printing. So first we have to print the type, that means it is string or it is integer or it is a decimal. So we'll write print type y. So let's print the output of x, and similarly you can print of rest other. So first we'll print of x. So print, as I told you before here, we'll write x dot name, and then we'll put a plus sign here, and then double colons with a comma, and then we'll write plus x dot location, That means self-allocation is x dot location, or I think it should be first department. So we can write dpt x dot dpt plus, and then double colons and a comma, and then plus x dot location. Let us try if this works. First of all, we'll save it. Now let us run it. F5. So see, it has printed Alex, Oracle, Kolkata and 50,000. So I hope you're clear how you can use class and objects. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel, and wait for my next video. Thank you everyone.